So, I'm going to now calculate if this student has siblings or not. I'm going to start with my equals, if, and open my brackets. Now, my logical test. Here is going to be if the number of students enrolled is greater than or equal to 2. So I'm going to click on the number enrolled and then type greater than or equal to 2, comparing two values with the logical operator. Now I type my comma. If it is greater than or equal to 2, I have a sibling. So I'd like a Y for yes to appear in the column. Note, because I'm working with text, I put this in my double quotes or quotation marks. Now I type a second comma. If there isn't a sibling, I don't want to clutter the column with a whole bunch of n's for no. I'd actually like to leave the column empty. If I just type a space, however, Excel is going to think I've forgotten to type my last argument, and it will actually effectively ignore that space. So that's not going to work. What I have to do is open my quotes and immediately close my quotes. That tells Excel to literally put nothing in the cell. Now, I close my bracket and press enter. As you can see, the number of students enrolled is greater than.
It will be blank space. But if you do not want any blank space and want that it could be no or anything, you can put it. Let's see. Now this.
At its simplest. Let's look at a slightly more interesting example that actually uses the calculation as well. So this time, we're actually going to calculate our sibling discount. And we've been told that we're going to give parents a 5% discount on their calculated fee if they have 2 or more students enrolled. So once again, we start with our equals, if, and tab. This time, we've already calculated whether there is a sibling or not. So we can simply check our siblings column. So I'm going to check if the value in the siblings column is equal to y. Now I haven't worried about the case. When comparing text, the equals is not case sensitive. But again, don't forget your quotes. And now type a comma. This time, if it is true, I actually want to do a calculation. So I'm going to click on my calculated fee and I'm going to multiply by 5%, which will give me 5% of the calculated fee. Then I'm going to type another comma. If the answer brings that they are not eligible for a sibling discount, then we just put 0. And note, I have not used my quotes because it's not text. It is a number. Close my brackets and then press enter. There's my sibling discount for the first parent. And if I again use my fill handle to copy that down with a double click.
Now we will check some example of if. So here it is. Using the if function to determine the maximise of two cells A1 and B1, the coding could look like. So which one is maximum, a1 or b1? Which one is maximum, a1 or b1? So I can say this thing, we can check it in here, who is maximum or who is big, this one or this one. So let's see if so this is our logical test. So value if true, if it is true, if it is big, then it will be true, comma, if it is true, then it will be false. See, who is big? 3. Who is big? 3. Who is big? 1. Second one, if we want to report whatever a1 and b1 are the same in value using the if function, the coding could look like আমরা যদি রিপোর্ট করি যে a1 এবং b1 সেম কিনা, তাহলে কিভাবে বুঝবো এটা সেম নাকি এটা সেম, এই দুটো সেম, এই দুটো সেম, এই দুটো সেম কিনা কিভাবে বুঝবো? if as they said it is same or not. If it is true, then it will be same. If it is false, then no, we just keeping blank. See, it is not same, that's why it shows blank. It is not same, so it shows blank, but those are same, so it will show same. Now the third one, so the answer is this. The third one, if we want to report whatever a1 and b1 are different in value if function, the coding could look like. So a1 and b1 different kina, এটা কিভাবে বুঝবো? Same style, different or not. If they are different, then it will be true. If it will not be different, as we said, as we keeping the formula equal, so if it is true, then it will be blank. If it is false, then it will show this thing. See, they are different, so that's why it shows different. Those are different, that's why it shows different. Those are not different, that's why it's blank. If we do not put equal sign in logical test, if we put not equal, then different will be in here, value if true. Okay, so it will be this one. Another question, how many arguments are expected if the if function you know it is 3? 100%. Right. Thank you.